Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 699 of trying to make a product every day. This is my last product I'm trying out of 2019. Today is New Year's Eve, so tomorrow, day 700, which is a huge milestone, is also 2020, which is crazy. I'm really hopeful for continued growth on YouTube and expanding my love of makeup and my passion for YouTube. So I'm really excited about what 2020 has in store. 2019 was an amazing year for me. Hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, bought my own house. So I've had a great 2019 and I'm really looking forward to a great 2020. Let me know in the comments down below what your New Year resolutions are or what your goals are for 2020. I'm planning to make my 2020 vision board, so if you're interested, I can put that in a vlog or something. But so anyways, the product that I'm trying out today is my last product that I have to try out from my December 2019 Boxy Luxe box, which as always, I will have my unboxing video of that linked in the description down below. But this is the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. It's a waterproof liquid liner. I got it in the shade Trooper Black. And I have not tried out very many Kat Von D products. I'm really intrigued by this, especially because it says that this is designed for easy application. And if you've seen some of my past videos where I try out liquid eyeliners, you would know that I am not great at applying liquid eyeliner. So if a product is designed to be easy, then I am very interested. And we're really going to be able to see just how easy this is to apply, because if I can apply it, anyone can apply it. But so, okay, here is what it looks like. This does, I should let you know, have a retail value of $20. That's what my BoxyCharm pamphlet says here. But I can't really tell if this is a brush applicator. Oh yes, it is, or a felt tip, but it's a very densely packed brush tip. Here you can see it almost looks like it was a felt tip, but it writes very easily. It doesn't look super dark black from this swatch here. I'm gonna go in and try to first start out by just lining my upper lash line. So my technique is I have a large mirror right in front of me down here, and I need two hands to apply my liner. So I just pull my eye with one hand, and then I'm gonna get right down to the lash line to draw. So first impressions, it's actually kind of prickly on my eye and kind of uncomfortable and itchy, scratchy, and I think that is because of the brush tip. I'm used to more of a felt tip, but I like a flexible felt tip, but the brushes here, the bristles, poke at my eye. It also did not make a smooth, even line. It's easy to apply the pigment, but it's kind of bumpy and not the same width all the way across. So I just went over it again to try and even out the width of it and make it more of a straight line. You probably can't even really tell. I'm sure you can't tell on camera, and up close you can't really tell either, but I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, where it just kind of is a little bit of a wavy line. I don't love how that looks. And I really don't love how this feels on my eye. It feels scratchy and tickly. It makes me want to scratch my eye. But okay. Now that the eyeliner is applied, I mean, it's a fine black eyeliner. I'm not definitely not blown away by it. But let's see if I'm able to do a wing. I actually cannot get over this feeling. I don't even want to touch it to my eye because of how prickly it is. So doing a wing eyeliner, it wasn't like the easiest thing, but I was able to get this really nice, sharp wing. So I'm kind of happy with that. But in general, I don't even know if I can continue using this just because of how uncomfortable it is on my eye. Does anyone else experience the prickliness of this? Like, let me know if that's something that really bothers you with this as well. But okay, let's see. I mean, yeah, no smudging, no fading, no blurring at all. So it's going to be very long lasting, but it really was not the easiest application. It's not like the darkest full black eyeliner. It's fine, but for $20, I've tried better that are less expensive. Like for example, the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, I find that one so much easier to use and that one's so inexpensive. My go-to is still the Focalure liquid eyeliner, which I will have that linked down below because that's the one that I reach for and that's the easiest for me to use. It doesn't prick my eye. So I am glad that I tried out a Kat Von D liquid eyeliner because there's so much hype around them and now I can at least say I've tried it. But like, I'm not even gonna apply it to my other eye. I actually have been having like some sensitivity on this eye today. Like, it's a little bit swollen and itchy. So applying a prickly eyeliner that makes me want to scratch at my eye is not probably the best thing for me to put on this eye here. It's probably allergies causing my eye to be so itchy, but I've been putting Vanicream on it today. That is like my holy grail savior eye cream, face cream for whenever I get like allergies or itchiness or eczema or anything like that on my skin. Vanicream, which you can buy at Amazon, is my product that just heals me right up. So if you ever have like issues like eczema or anything like that on your eye, try Vanicream. But anyways, this Kat Von D Dagger tattoo liner, not my favorite. I'm actually surprised that I got 2 products in my BoxyCharm box this month that I'm like not super happy with, whereas I did a whole year of Ipsy and I maybe got 2 products that I wasn't psyched about, but 2 products in 1 month from BoxyCharm. Like, I am excited about BoxyCharm. I'm going to continue getting it, but I don't know if it's necessarily better than Ipsy. I know a lot of people prefer BoxyCharm, but I don't know, I'm not completely sold yet. I guess tomorrow's January, so it's already a new month and I'll be getting new products from both Ipsy and BoxyCharm very soon. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Happy New Year!